Welcome to ZephyrTec's Dragon demo series. Today we'll be exploring how to use Dragon with Microsoft Excel. Some of the commands demonstrated are built directly into Dragon, while others have been custom created by ZephyrTec. Select Right 5, Center, Bold, shade that in gray, add bottom border. Cell A5, 1/26/26, tab, XYZ Company, cap that, tab, David Adams, tab, 650-284-4591, tab, 01/30/26, tab, 10.45, enter, sum column, save document. For custom training or command development, contact ZephyrTec at 877-493-7497, email info@zephyr-tech.com, or visit www.zephyr-tech.com.